In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Elementor forms with Pipedrive CRM. If you're tired of copying form submissions into your CRM, this walkthrough will help you automate that process so every lead collected on your website lands in Pipedrive instantly and accurately. We'll use Outfunnel as the bridge because it's built specifically to sync marketing tools like Elementor with sales tools like Pipedrive. Start by heading to the Outfunnel integration page for Pipedrive and Elementor. Create an account or start a free trial so you can follow along. Outfunnel will be the service that listens to form submissions and sends the data to Pipedrive, keeping everything organized without manual work. Next, connect your Pipedrive account. You'll be prompted to authorize access so Outfunnel can create or update contacts. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions for your Pipedrive workspace. Review the access screen, approve the connection, and you're done. You can revoke or change this access later in Pipedrive if needed. Now, connect your Elementor website. Outfunnel will guide you through this using an API or webhook. The process is straightforward. You'll generate a unique endpoint in Outfunnel and point your Elementor form to it, so submissions flow securely to Outfunnel. Keep both tabs open, your Outfunnel dashboard and your WordPress admin, so you can copy and paste any details without mistakes. If you're working on a staging site, double-check the site URL to avoid pointing the sync to the wrong environment. With the connection in place, it's time to map your form fields to Pipedrive fields. This is where you tell the system which Elementor fields, like name and email, should populate which contact fields in Pipedrive. Be precise here. Map email to the primary email field so contacts are identified correctly, and match phone, company, and any other inputs to the corresponding Pipedrive fields. If you use custom questions in your form, make sure matching fields exist in Pipedrive so that data has a proper place to go. Finally, save and activate the sync. From this point on, when someone fills out your Elementor form, their details will automatically appear in Pipedrive as a new lead or contact with the fields you mapped. Give it a quick test by submitting your form once and checking Pipedrive to confirm everything arrives as expected. If something looks off, revisit the field mapping and adjust. That's it. You've connected Elementor to Pipedrive through Outfunnel, streamlined your lead capture, and set yourself up for cleaner data and faster follow-up.